Hi everyone, welcome to the video. So guys, in this video we'll be implementing one amazing agent with the help of Phidata called Video Summarizer. So what this agent will do, let's say if you give any video, so it will let's say analyze the video and it will give you the video summary, okay, in front of you. Even you can also perform the query operation on top of the video. Let's say you have uploaded a video regarding large language model and now we can, let's say, do some additional conversation, okay. Let's say whatever that video content creator is talking about. So maybe you can ask some topic, let's say what is large language model, what is the transformer inside large language model, these kinds of question you can perform there. So for this I have created the entire app, guys. You can see this is available. So first of all, let me show you the demo of the app, what this app will do. Then I will explain the code, okay. So for this, first of all, you have to set up the project. So just try to create an environment with this command. So you have to use Python 3.11. Then after that you have to activate the environment. So let me activate the environment. So environment is activated. Now we'll try to install the requirements. So here, let's copy this line and let's install the requirement. So for me it is already satisfied, but for you it will take some time. And here, guys, I'm using Google Gemini model and it's completely free, so you don't need to use any kinds of OpenAI API key here. So once it is done, then we'll try to execute our main.py. Okay, so main.py is my endpoint, and you can see to implement the agents I'm using Phidata. Okay, and I created a Streamlit user interface. So now let's try to execute the app and let me show you the demo. So let's open up my terminal. Now I'll just write Streamlit run main.py. So my app is running, so let me show you. So guys, you can see this is the app. So here you have to upload a video. Okay, so let's upload one video here. So I'm going to upload a short video. So let's say here I have some video. Let's say I will upload this one. What is generative AI? So this is a short actually I recorded. Now see guys, this is your video. Okay, you can see. You can even play the video.
Hi, welcome to the 30.
Okay, now here you can perform the query operation. So what I will do, I'll just write summarize the video. Now if I click on analyze video, now see it is analyzing the video. After that, so guys, you can see I'm getting an error because the API key I created, maybe it has expired. So what I will do, I'll create a new API key. So for this, just search for Gemini API. Okay, Gemini API key. Sorry, Gemini API key. And for this, you have to go to the mm, Google developer. Okay, website. So get Gemini API key in Google AI Studio, and here is the API key. Okay, you have to create. So let's create a API key, and I'll select any kinds of project and let's create the API key. So this is my API key. I'll collect. Now here what I will do, I'll try to replace inside my env. And from Gemini, guys, I'm using a vision model. Okay, you can see I'm using this particular model called Gemini 2.0 flash experiment. Okay, so this is actually multi-model. It can also take the video data, image data. Okay, it can work. Now I think it should work. So let's re-execute my app. I'll stop the execution. Let's clear the terminal and again re-execute that. Now again I will upload the video. What is generative AI? Now let's give the prompt, summarize the video, and let's click on analyze button. So guys, you can see here is the summary I got, okay, about the video. So this video actually I created of 30 days of generative AI series. So this was the first lecture. So there I was talking about what is generative AI and all. Okay, so here you can see the entire summary. Now you can ask any kinds of question regarding the video. Okay, like you can also talk about like what is Gen AI, what is LLM inside that. Okay, everything you can ask here. So this is the app, guys, I have created. Now let me show you the code. So how I have developed the entire project. So again, I'm using Phidata. I think you know how to use the Phidata, and I'm using Streamlit to create the UI. So I'm using DuckDuckGo search tool for the like search operation over the internet. Let's say if you're asking any question which is not available in the video, it will refer the internet to give you the response. And here I'm using upload and get file from generative AI. Okay, Google Generative AI. So here I'm installing one package called Google Generative AI. Okay, like with the help of that, you can access the Gemini model, and the file I'm uploading, that video file, you can process with the help of this particular function. Now here you can see I'm uploading the so here you can see I'm importing that Google Generative AI, GenAI, then some additional module. So here I'm loading the Google API key, and how to load the Google API key, how to create it, I think I already showed you. Then I'm configuring it. Okay, then I'm giving the page configuration like video summarizer. Okay, you can see some icons. So these are the thing actually I'm giving. Then I'm giving the header, so title and header. So this is the title and header. Okay, so once it is done, then I'm initializing the agent. So this is the agent actually I'm creating, guys, you can see. And the model I'm using Gemini 2.0 flash experiment model, and tool I'm using DuckDuckGo. Then this is my model. Then I'm creating a video uploader. So this particular video uploader I'm creating here with the help of Streamlit. Once it is done, then I'm checking if user has uploaded the video or not. If uploaded, I'm saving as a temporary file. Okay, then you can see I'm creating a text area. So this is the text area I'm creating so that user can pass any prompt. Then if user has clicked on the button, so what it will do, it will process. First of all, it will upload the video, it will process the video. Then after that, it will get the process video, then it will pass to the model. But before that, I'm preparing the prompt. This is the entire prompt, guys. So here I've written the prompt, like what to do with that video. Then I'm running with my model. You can see analyze prompt and the video, that means the processed video. Okay, then once I got the response, so what I will do, I'll just try to let's say show in my console. So this is what actually we're doing here. So then you have to give this particular customized text area option. So here you can specify what will be the text, let's say style, what will be the height and weight. Okay, you can like mention these are the thing. So yes, guys, this is the implementation, and you have to keep your API key here. And yeah, and requirement, these are the requirement I'm using. So yes, I will share the like resources with you, so from there you can check it out. And if you face any issue, you can let me know. With that, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time.